Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is October 19, 2021 and we will talk about market preparation. So today is October 19, 2021. So we'll start with spotting the trends with the ETFs and look at beaten down stocks that we can buy and trade and look at the trends to benefit from. We'll look at things like high short ratio, top stocks to sell put options, selected sectors and what we can buy. And also let's look at the best way to grow your portfolio with the rule of 40, positive net margin and low debt. These are some great stocks you can buy. So with that, let's jump in and get started. So let me first jump into Thinkorswim platform to take a look at the quick market update. So with that, let's jump in here. As you look through here, let me quickly go into futures market here and go from there. So from the futures market perspective, let's quickly go into just quickly stock futures here with the S&P 500 and so on and so forth. So as you look through here, we got a nice uptick going on in S&P 500 futures. It's pointing to an up day here. As you can see here, nice trend here. I think we got to be careful and buy selectively. And as you look at here, same story with Nasdaq, nice uptrend here. And same story continues in Dow Jones Industrial Average as well as Russell 2000. All of these are going to be up day here, and trend continues here. And as you look through here in the bond market, bond is also pointing to a little bit higher opening, lower opening here. As you can see here, a little weak on the bond side. That's helping the stock market as stock rallies. Look here, bond market is trending down here, which is natural phenomenon. And also as you look through here, interest rates are trending down. That's also helping stock market. That's a good sign. And as I look through crude oil is a rocket ship here going up. I would be careful on the energy names. And as you look through gold here, gold is trending a little higher. As you can see here, gold is a good one. We should look at some gold stocks here and take it from there. So with that, now let's jump into Excel spreadsheet. Look at some of the few ETFs to spot some trends here. From a top line ETF perspective, as you can look through here, let me quickly look at few sectors here and go from there. So let's take a look at few indices and also S&P 500 sectors here to make sense out of the market. As you look through, from a volume perspective, we got great volume in S&P 500. As you can scan through, S&P 500 is up in 1 day and up nicely in 5 day, 10 day and so on and so forth. It's in positive territory. And look through here, we got EEM here, which is MSI emerging markets. It's trending down, as you can see here. Russell 2000 also trending down a little bit, and utilities are trending down, especially interest rates are showing some inflationary increase. That's why utilities are a little bit weaker. If the inflation goes higher, we get more money, more interest rate from treasury. People swap out of utilities to treasury. And we got consumer staples weak. That's also a good sign. People are really going away from safe safe havens and investing in stocks. That's a good sign here. And as you look through here, sectors, from a sector perspective, let's look at just the sectors here, just the SPDR sectors. So if I drop it down here, you look at only S&P 500 sectors here. From a sector perspective, utilities and consumer staples are weaker in a 1 day time frame. But look here, on a 1 month time frame, we got utilities and consumer staples weaker, and XOP, which is oil is strong here, energy is strong. And these communication sector here, Facebook and some of these social media stocks, AT&T, Verizon, that's down, as you can see here. And home construction is a little tepid, but it's picking up pace in 1 day and 5 day. That's a quick market update in the broader ETF. Now what we'll do is we'll look at some trends here, see what's trending. So with that, let's go in here and take this filter off here, select everything and look at just the trends. So let's look at few trends here. I will select few off here so that we can look at a few trends and see what we can make out here. So from a trend perspective, as you can look through here, these are all with the very good volume here. And let's also quickly sort it by volume so that we get stronger candidates in the beginning. There you go. So as you look through here, we got I think our trend got messed up here. Let's just look at the trends. All, all right. So as you look through here, we got emerging markets a little bit weaker here. And as you look through here, 3 month, a little bit weaker, trying to gain momentum here. Look, China here. China is trying to improve here. I think that's a good sign. Silver is a little bit weaker as you look through here, trying to gain some momentum in 5-day and 10-day. That's also a good one. China, which is China Internet stocks here, KWeb, trying to get nice momentum here. I think China is back on the roll. And as you look through here, we got Grayscale, Bitcoin, all the crypto cohort is doing well. I think that the crypto ETF and futures are coming up here. That's why crypto has done nicely, showing some a little weakness here in 1 day. I would wait a little bit for crypto to drop off and then buy some crypto, especially stocks like BTBT, Marathon, and Riot blockchain. And as you look through here, biotech is down, XPI down for a couple days. We should pick up some great biotech stocks into this weakness and take it from there. I think we should take a look at some of the biotech names as we go into a little more detail. And as you scan through here, we got few more things. We got EWJ, Japan, a little bit weaker here. As you can see here, 1 month down. And as you scan through, we got semiconductor cohort, a little bit down here with SMH down 4% in 1 month. It's getting some momentum here. And then as you scan through here, Kathy is a little bit down on the human genomics side of the house. Again, some of these biotech names are down. That's why Kathy's human genomics is down here. And some of the areas which are rocket ships, we got here solar here. Solar stocks are doing great. As you can see here, 5-day, 10-day, nice progress here. Lithium, batteries, electric vehicles doing nicely here. Nice uptick here. And SCIBR, which is our favorite cybersecurity stock, they're doing great. They're on fire here. We should invest in some great cybersecurity stocks when it's down. And then you got here cannabis stocks. Cannabis is down. It's trending down for a long time, as you can see here. I know many of you got stocks like Grow Generation. I think it's slowly good to pick up some of these cannabis stocks here and go from there. And we got Fintech. Fintech is on fire, as you can see here. Nice uptick in Fintech. I think we should buy some good names when they're down and take it from there. And cannabis down, as you can see here. And Bug, which is again cyber security, nicely up here. And we got KRBN, which is really crane here. I think carbon is down a little bit. I think people are investing away from some of these sustained energy names, clean energy names here. And then we got some more, as you can look through here. At the high level, we got pot and some of this cannabis down. And clean energy, as you can see here, it's up here. KRBN is down. So we'll look at this carefully and go from there. Now what we'll do is we'll go into stock and see what stocks we can buy and take advantage. As you look through here, quick update. These are the stocks that have fallen down in last 5 days big time. Look here, the stock like RVNC stock is down big time in 5 days. So this is where you got to be careful here, buy selectively and take advantage. And as we look through here, we got a few more names. Let me make it a little smaller. Okay, let's keep it like this, otherwise you cannot see. As you look through here, we got few names. RVNC down big time, as you can see here. This company has got nice sales growth. You could take advantage and buy some RVNC into this weakness. which is a big weakness. As you scan through here, RVNC down all along. You got to be a little careful here, but given there is a nice growth and gross margin, you could buy some RVNC here. And we got RGLS down big time, 37%. I would focus on stronger candidates. What we'll do is we'll put a filter on this and look at only the stronger candidates with the nice growth. So let's quickly go here and apply the filter and look at the rule of 40. We want the stocks which are nice sales growth, gross margin, and also at a nice buy level with the low RSI. These are the stronger candidates for you. As you look through here, we got RVNC, XIN, which is just $1 stock here, very low market cap. Keep watching the sales growth and gross margin, nice one here. And as you scan through here, I think it's a good one. Only thing is debt to equity ratio is a little high. It's taking too much debt on the balance sheet. So as you look through this, you might wonder, what, I want a little more safer stocks. I don't want too much debt to equity. So you could just say here and say, I want a lower debt to equity. So less than, let's say 0.6, a little more safer here. So you get stronger candidates with a low debt to equity. I think these are good ones to buy. Top of the list is Tiger here, Up Fintech. It is China play here. It's been down for a while, as you can see here. I think it's good to scoop up slowly and have a nice position here. And we got few more like VSTI, STIM again, down big time, but nice sales growth and nice gross margin. And as you scan through here, you could see, some of the favorite names like Trax. Trax is down big time. I love Trax. I think it's time to invest a little bit into Trax here and take advantage of this downtime in Trax. And as you scan through, we got a few more you can look at. And what we'll do now is we'll even look at safer candidates. We'll also say, give me net margin positive. So that way, these are the little more stronger candidates for you. So these are, a little more safer. Stocks are down big time in 5 days. You can see here, good time to buy. Now keep looking here. You got even better candidates. Tiger, Uptech, you could buy slowly here. Take advantage of this huge big downtime here. And as you look through here, we got few more VSTI, TCMD, Trax, which is a great one. Align Technology, which is again a great one. I love this stock here. These guys are into teeth and making sure your teeth is straight and white. And we got Boston Beer, one of my favorite stock here. Keep watching Boston Beer here. I think this stock will turn around. Right now it's down big time. I think it's a good one here. And as you scan through here, we got more names here. Biomarin, I love this one. Zillow Group got creamed yesterday, down big time. I think they are getting out of selling some of these home buying and selling type program here. That's why stock came big time. I think it's good to buy some Zillow Group here. I love growth generation. Stock is down. Look here, growth generation is trying to turn around. It's a good to buy some growth generation here and take it from there. And we got few more here as you scan through here. Henry Schein again into teeth and dental area. Stock is down big along with the Align here. You could pick up some of this stock also here. And now we got some of our favorite video gameplay here. EA Electronic Arts. It's also down of late, down 3%. You could pick up some of EA stock here. So with that, now what we'll do is we'll switch the gear and some trends. So looking at the trend here, we watch some areas like cannabis down big time. You could pick up some cannabis names here. Let's do a quick filter here and look at some cannabis names and take advantage of this downturn here. So with that, let's go here, look at the trend and look at some cannabis names and see if we can buy some of those. All right. So as you scan through here, we got a few of the cannabis plays here, and some of these are, low dollar stock, as you can see here. NEPT, very low dollar. Let me also sort this by volume so that we get a nice volume upfront. All right. So these are all the cannabis stocks with the great volume. As you look through Sundial on the top here, low market cap, actually 1.3 billion, not too low. Stock is down, as you can see here, trying to turn around. You could take advantage here, but if you want a stronger candidate, I recommend go with the Tilray here. Tilray is a low dollar stock, $10. Nice sales growth, nice gross margin, a little bit better candidate here. Then as we scan through, we got few more here. We got Hexo again, nice sales growth and gross margin. You could go with that too. And my favorites here with the growth generation here. NBEV also works here, nice positive sales growth and gross margin. And we got VFF, same story here. You could go with that too. And we got a few more, not too many cannabis stocks here. You could look at these stocks here with nice sales growth, nice gross margin, and take it from there. And we can also look at one more trend here. For that, we look at cyber security. We just saw cyber security is on the fire. Let's look at a few cyber security names and take it from there. From a cyber security perspective, let's go here and pick up some good names here. As you scan through here, let's also quickly sort this once again with the nice volume on the top here. All right. From a cyber security here, we got Cisco on the top. Everybody knows Cisco. It's a big company. Nice sales growth, nice gross margin. Cisco is on the fire. Cisco is slowly coming back. As you can look through here, Cisco is turning around nicely in in 5-day, 10-day. And right now RSI is still low 48. You could buy Cisco safely. Stock is around $55. I have seen this stock much higher. And then you got here my favorite, like Cloudflare here, great stock, has been doing great. Right now, as you can see here, RSI is 79. Watch out, don't jump in, let it cool off a little more, and then we'll buy this Cloudflare here. Then we got BlackBerry, CrowdStrike, so forth, so on, so forth. All great companies. And what we'll do now, we don't want to look at some of these stocks which are high right now. Let's focus on nice entry point. So with that, let me go in here and look at just the ones which are beaten down and not all the stocks which are up nicely, so we can buy some selective stocks here. So as you look through here, these are the ones in the cyber security area, beaten down big time and good to buy at this time. Some of the stocks have already made some move. As you can see here, this is a hot area. But as you look through RSI levels here, let's do one thing. I think we looked at a different filter here, rule of 40 and low RSI. Let's say true here, not false. There you go. This should give us a nice beaten down cyber security names here. As you look through, these are the ones which are beaten down. You could buy even up here with the low RSI. Look here, Cisco, Martin LifeLock. Juniper had been stuck in the mud for a long time. I would skip that one. Akamai, a good one here. And we got a few more with the Veronis, Mime, Sale, A10, and so on and so forth. These are the great companies. Right now, RSI is at a lower level. You could still buy and make some money out of it. And also, we saw one more trend, which is solar. You could look at some solar stocks here and see what we can invest in, how we can invest in solar. As you look through here, let's take this off and look at solar. All right, solar, as you can see here, stocks have done nicely. That's why, beaten down stock perspective, you see only two. Let me remove this filter and get all the solar stocks so that we can look at all of them here. So from a solar stock perspective, as you can see here, we got all these names here. Let's sort it by volume here. There you go. We got Next Era Energy here on the top. Nice, huge, big cap, large cap stock here. Has done nicely. As you can see here, RSI level is 54. You could still buy some of NEE here. On the other hand, some of the stocks like Sunrun, SPWR has gone up nicely, a little bit higher RSI. You could focus on stocks like Sunworks here, still low RSI. You could still buy this, and also look at the names like Array here, a little bit lower RSI here, and HLS, very low RSI, but there is no sales growth here. I would focus on the growth candidates here and take it from there. As you scan through here from a RSI level perspective, all these are high RSI. So that's why solar, I think train has left the station here with the nice growth here. Now what we'll do is we'll turn this thing off here and only look at high short ratio. I think many of you like high short ratio stocks. You could just say give me all the high short ratio stocks. So with that, let's turn off this filter and sort by high short ratio and also low RSI, so we get some stronger candidates. So I love looking at high short ratio and low RSI, so that typically gives us nice candidates. Let's just say high short ratio and low RSI, and let's also sort it by volume. There you go. So these are the stocks with the high short ratio. As you can look through, short ratio 16, 36. At the same time, keep watching RSI below 50. You could take advantage of these high short ratio candidates and buy them into the weakness. Keep looking at the ones with the green highlight here. These are the stronger candidates with nice sales growth and nice gross margin and satisfies rule of 40. What we'll do is really let's look at rule of 40 and low RSI, so that way you can look at the stronger candidates only. So with that, these are the stronger candidates. If you want to take advantage of short squeeze play, you could safely buy some of these names here, like X. As you can see here, short ratio 17%, Riot blockchain, Tiger, Siri, and so on and so forth. These are the high short ratio candidates with the low RSI, as you can look through here, and also nice sales growth and gross margin. These have more likelihood of having a short squeeze. And then we'll remove this here, and many of you are interested in the high to sell put options. You could do a filter here and look at what stocks I can sell put options. Let's turn it here and true. These are the stocks with the high IV percentile, as you can look through here, and great candidates to sell put options. IV percentile nice and high here, low RSI. As you look through, we got Align, UTHR, EA, so on and so forth. All great stocks, nice gross margin, nice net margin. Stocks have got high IV percentile here, low RSI. You could take advantage of these names here, sell some put options and make some money. And last but not least, I know many of you want to look at the best of the best. So for that, what we can do is, give me all the stocks with the nice gross margin, nice net margin, give me growth stocks. So for that, we'll go here and look at our filter here to look at growth stocks all the time, all growth stocks, and take it from there. These are all the growth stocks, as you can see here. And what we'll do is we'll notch up this net margin here, make it greater than maybe 5%, so that we get or 10%. Let's get good candidates with nice sales growth here, and we want low debt here, so that way we make money and don't lose money. So let's say the debt ratio is less than say 0.5. We want strong candidates here. There you go. So here you get strong candidates here. Let's also sort by volume, so you get the highest volume in the top here and take it from there. So now you get a strong candidate with nice growth. As you can see here, look at the 1 year sales growth, quarter over quarter, gross margin, all top-notch stocks here. You could buy in some of these names here, on the downturn and take it from there. Some of them have a little bit high RSI, as you can look through here. We'll look at the ones which are beaten down in a minute. But look here, these are all great stocks with a nice sales growth, nice gross margin. Stocks are trying to turn around in many cases here. So what we'll do now is we will say, you know what, let's also look at a little bit lower RSI. So what we'll do is we'll go here and do this filter on for the lower RSI. So that way we get a little bit lower RSI candidates still growing nicely. So let's do this filter here and we'll whittle down this list here and take it from there. Look here, we got these stocks, all great stocks, nice growth, positive net margin, low debt to equity, meaning they don't have too much debt on the balance sheet. And keep looking here, RSI is low, these are sold off here. You could buy stocks like Micron, which is sold off here with the low RSI. As you can look through here, you can look at buy Tencent, HIMX, PayPal, all great stocks. I love these stocks here. These are the ones for you to grow your portfolio nicely and take it from there. We got a few more here as you scan through. These are the stronger candidates. I love stocks like Drex here. And I think there are not many because we whittled down so much. These stocks you can buy into this weakness. These are low RSI stocks, nice sales growth, nice gross margin, and you can take it from there. With that, let's wrap it up. Thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.